Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, No Limits. I'm really excited about this week's video because it's going to be a really tasty one. I'm going to show you how to make an omelet using one hand. Let's go! Alright, so here are my basic ingredients. I have 2 brown eggs, 2 Kraft single cheeses because you can't have enough cheese, tomatoes, a pepper, and some greens. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to start off by cutting tomatoes, and the way I do it with cherry tomatoes is I just do kind of poke my knife in it and bring it out because these like to be a little slippery. So yeah, I'm just going to cut it into tiny little ones. And I'll cut this one in half. And basically, I like my omelets really kind of simple. Not too much going on right there, so that's really why I have only a limited amount of ingredients right now. I think about 3 tomatoes would make sense. Yeah, 3 is enough. Oh. Alright. Alright, and then I'm going to cut my pepper. Thin slices makes everything a whole lot easier. And I love that little ones don't really have any seeds in them, so I don't really have to worry about much when it comes to cutting these peppers. Except for the fact they're really loud, but you know. Alright. I'm gonna cut it a little more. Okay. That's a good amount. Alright, so tomatoes, peppers, I have my greens that I just thought I'd tear apart. Not that part. Just add some in there when I'm making this. Add a little bit of lettuce. Alright. I like to cut things into really tiny pieces because when making your omelet, it is so much more simple and it doesn't get that messy. And I just, you know, throw it on there. Alright, 3 things, plus my cheese, plus my eggs, which I will scramble right about now. Okay, so time to do the eggs. So 1 egg. The other egg. Add some pepper. Add some salt. And scramble it up. Alright. Alright, so let's start. First I do the oil. Then I turn on the stove on high. It's really important you get all your oil around because eggs like to stick to the pan. the eggs. Kind of flatten them out. I'm going to cut the cheese into little pieces. So put that on this side. I'm going to add the tomatoes. Peppers. Greens. Flatten that out. See all that cheese coming out? Love it. Flatten it out. And there's my omelet. It looks really cheesy and I'm really excited. Okay, thanks for tuning into my video this week. Let me know what you want me to do for next week, and don't forget to subscribe down below. My links to my social media are also down below. Thank you guys. I'm gonna go enjoy my omelet now. Bye.